Hey everyone! Cheryl asked me to step in today because she's out tending to the chickens and looking after the animals on the farm. As you probably know, farm life doesn't stop. So today you're getting Cheryl's AI twin. If you've been searching for passive income ideas for introverts who want income, not internet fame, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll discover 7 realistic ways to build recurring income online, even if you never want to become an influencer, dance around on social media, or chase thousands of subscribers. This channel is all about helping everyday people build simple online businesses that create more freedom. And if you'd like to learn the exact affiliate marketing system Cheryl uses, make sure you watch the free on-demand affiliate marketing masterclass by clicking the first link in the description below. Now, stick around because the number one idea on this list is the one Cheryl used to generate tens of thousands of dollars, and it's probably not what most people expect. Let's jump straight in with number 7. Number 7 is investing your online profits. Now, this one surprises a lot of people because when most people think about passive income, they think about investing first. But the truth is, investing usually isn't where you create your first income stream. It's where you grow the money your online business starts producing. Whether it's dividend-paying shares, ETFs, or other long-term investments, the goal is simple. Let your money start working for you. But before you can invest, you first need income coming in consistently. So where does that income come from? Well, let's move on to number 6. Number 6 is licensing digital assets. Have you ever created something once that could be sold hundreds or even thousands of times? Think templates, Canva designs, AI prompts, photos, graphics, ebooks, or other digital downloads. These are assets you create once and license over and over again. It's a fantastic option for introverts because you're creating behind the scenes rather than constantly promoting yourself. But what if you don't even want to create your own products? Well, number 5 might be a better fit. Number 5 is building a membership. Memberships create recurring monthly income instead of relying on one-off sales. You can offer tutorials, AI prompts, templates, exclusive resources, coaching, newsletters, or anything that delivers ongoing value. The best part? You don't need thousands of members. A relatively small community of loyal members can create a very consistent monthly income. Now, before we get to the top 4, if you're enjoying these ideas and you'd like Cheryl to show you the exact business model she recommends for beginners, don't forget to watch the free, on-demand affiliate marketing masterclass using the first link in the description below. It walks you through the entire process step by step. All right, let's keep going. Number 4 is using AI with YouTube. This is where things have changed dramatically over the last couple of years. A lot of people still believe you have to be on camera every day to build a successful YouTube channel. You don't. AI can now help you write scripts, create voiceovers, generate visuals, and dramatically speed up content creation. And YouTube remains one of the best free traffic sources in the world. People are actively searching for solutions every single day. Instead of chasing followers, you're creating helpful content that can continue bringing in viewers for months or even years after you publish it. But traffic by itself isn't enough. You also need something to sell, which brings us nicely to number 3. Number 3 is print on demand. If you're creative, this is another excellent option. You can design t-shirts, mugs, journals, posters, and other merchandise without holding any inventory. A supplier handles the printing and shipping while you focus on creating the designs and promoting your products. It's a solid business model. Personally, though, I still prefer businesses that don't rely on physical products, which leads us to number 2. Number 2 is selling digital products. Digital products are fantastic because you create them once and sell them repeatedly. That could be an ebook, a guide, a checklist, a template, an AI prompt pack, or almost anything that helps people solve a problem. Now, here's something I learned the hard way. I spent years trying all sorts of different online business models. I jumped from one opportunity to another. Most of them were confusing. Some required a lot of technical skills. Others promised the world but delivered very little. I was constantly chasing the next shiny object. Then everything changed. Because number one completely transformed my online business. Number one is affiliate marketing using AI, and this is the business model that finally worked for me. Instead of creating products myself, I simply recommended products and services that I genuinely believed in. Even better, I focused on recurring affiliate programs. That meant getting paid month after month instead of earning a single commission. Using YouTube to generate traffic and AI to make content creation faster, I was able to build an online business that generated around $30,000 to $40,000 over a 6-month period. And here's the biggest myth I want to bust today. You do not need thousands of subscribers. You do not need paid advertising. And you definitely do not have to become an influencer. What you need is helpful content that solves real problems for real people. Build trust. Capture leads. Grow your email list. Recommend quality recurring affiliate products. Then repeat the process consistently. That's a business model that can continue working for you long after you've published your videos. And if you'd like Cheryl to show you exactly how this works step by step, watch the free on-demand affiliate marketing masterclass by clicking the first link in the description below. It's designed specifically for beginners who want to build a simple online business without chasing internet fame. So, let's quickly recap. We've covered 7 passive income ideas that are perfect for introverts. Some involve creating products. Some involve building communities. Others leverage AI and YouTube. But if Cheryl had to start all over again today, she'd still choose affiliate marketing with recurring commissions. Why? Because it's simple, it's scalable, and it doesn't require you to become internet famous. Start with one business model. Master it. Don't chase every shiny new opportunity. Consistency almost always beats complexity. Now that you've learned these passive income ideas for introverts, the next thing you'll want to learn is, can I build an online business in 60 minutes a day? Click on the video that's appearing on your screen now, and I'll show you how even busy people can build an online business in as little as 1 hour a day.